Global products need to speak every language. Support tickets arrive in 60 languages. Legal contracts need certified translation. Product catalogs must be localized for 40 markets. E-commerce platforms need real-time chat translation between buyers and sellers. Building and maintaining neural machine translation models for every language pair is a massive engineering burden. Azure AI Translator is Microsoft's fully managed translation API that converts text, documents, and websites across 100+ languages with a single call. This video covers everything you need to know. Building machine translation in-house creates 5 compounding problems. Training a neural MT model for a single language pair requires billions of sentence pairs and weeks of GPU training. Supporting 100 language pairs means 100 separate models to train, evaluate, and retrain as language evolves. Domain-specific vocabulary like legal, medical, or engineering terms causes generic models to mistranslate at exactly the wrong moments. Document translation must preserve layout, tables, and formatting, not just words. And running translation at millions of requests per day requires infrastructure that is expensive and difficult to scale. Azure AI Translator is Microsoft's fully managed neural machine translation service. It delivers 4 core capabilities: text translation for real-time translation of plain text and HTML across 100+ languages in a single API call with language auto-detection. Document translation for synchronous batch conversion of Word, PDF, Excel, and PowerPoint files while preserving layout and formatting. Custom translator for fine-tuning the base model on your domain vocabulary with as few as 10,000 sentence pairs, and transliteration to convert text between scripts without changing the language. The Azure AI Translator workflow runs in 5 steps. Send your text, HTML, or document to the translator REST endpoint. Optionally provide a glossary or custom model ID for domain-specific accuracy. The service auto-detects the source language if not specified, and routes to the neural MT model. Receive translated text with detected language confidence, alternative translations, and alignment information. Route the translated output to your application, CMS, support platform, or document store. Azure AI Translator has 4 service modes. Text translation handles real-time sentence and paragraph translation with HTML tag preservation and up to 50,000 characters per request. Document translation runs asynchronous batch jobs that convert whole files from Azure Blob Storage while preserving tables, images, and page layout. Custom translator lets you upload parallel corpora to fine-tune a private model endpoint on your domain terminology. Transliteration and dictionary lookup provide script conversion and contextual word-level alternatives. How does Azure AI Translator compare? AWS Translate covers real-time text and document translation, but lacks a no-code custom translator training portal. Google Cloud Translation supports 100+ languages and has AutoML translation, but has a more complex glossary management experience. DeepL produces very natural-sounding output for European languages, but supports fewer languages and has no custom model training. Azure AI Translator leads on custom translator ease of use, document translation with layout preservation, and native Azure Enterprise integration. Azure AI Translator supports over 100 languages and dialects, including lower source languages like Welsh, Maltese, and Inuktitut. Document translation processes up to 40 million characters per batch job and preserves all native formatting in Word, PDF, Excel, and PowerPoint files. Custom translator models consistently improve BLEU scores by 5 to 15% over the base model for domain-specific content. Azure AI Translator powers 5 categories of multilingual enterprise applications. Multilingual customer support translates incoming tickets in real time, so agents respond in English, while customers read replies in their native language. E-commerce localization auto-translates product descriptions, reviews, and chat for buyers and sellers across 40 markets without a localization team. Legal and compliance document translation converts contracts, regulations, and filings while preserving clause numbering, tables, and formatting for legal review. Global content management pipelines auto-translate CMS articles and marketing copy into 30 languages at article publish time. Healthcare record translation converts patient-facing documents and discharge summaries for multilingual patient populations, while flagging medical terminology for human review. 5 lines to translate text in Python. Import the text translation client. Authenticate with your key. Call translate with your text list and target language codes, and iterate over results to read the translated text and detected source language. Add a glossary parameter to enforce domain-specific term mappings. For document jobs, use the document translation client with source and target blob storage container URLs and call begin translation to start an async batch. Use Azure AI Translator when you need managed, scalable machine translation on Azure for text, HTML, or documents across 100+ languages, especially for customer support, content localization, or document pipelines. It is the right choice when custom translator domain fine-tuning and Azure native compliance matter. Skip it when translation quality must match human-level nuance. For marketing copy or literary text, use a professional translation service for those. For multilingual conversational AI that requires reasoning over meaning, Azure OpenAI with GPT-4o and its native multilingual capability will give you deeper semantic accuracy. Azure AI Translator in 5 points. 1. Real-time text translation across 100+ languages with auto-detection, HTML preservation, and glossary support in one REST call. 2. Document translation that converts Word, PDF, Excel, and PowerPoint files in batch while preserving all formatting and layout. 3. Custom translator that fine-tunes a private model endpoint on your domain corpus and improves BLEU by 5 to 15%. 4. Transliteration and dictionary lookup for script conversion and contextual word alternatives. 5. All 4 modes share one Azure resource, Azure RBAC and enterprise compliance including HIPAA and GDPR. Stop building and maintaining neural machine translation models from scratch. Azure AI Translator gives you 100+ language, text and document translation with custom domain fine-tuning as a managed API. Start at aka.ms/Azure Translator.